How to change font size in WhatsApp. Let's begin with the video. Initially launch the WhatsApp on a device by tapping the app icon. In the top right corner of the screen, tap the three-dot icon. This will open a menu with several options. From the menu, select Settings to open the app settings. In the Settings menu, click on the Chats option. Furthermore, under the Chat settings, select the font size. Here you will be given the three options for the font size. The first option is small. This will make the text smaller. The second one is medium. This is the default size text. And the last one is large. It increases the text size for a easier reading. Select the option that suits your preference. After selecting your preferred font size, hit OK to save the changes. The font size will now be updated throughout the app. By following these steps, you can easily customize the font size on WhatsApp.